Hello.
Hi.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I haven't made a video in a while. I'm excited for this one. I have my husband here because this is a men's ThredUp rescue box. I rarely purchase men's clothing, but this was pretty intriguing because ThredUp doesn't sell men's clothing, so I figured this would be a pretty decent box because they weren't able to sell any of these items. So I have already peeked in, but my husband hasn't, so it's gonna be a surprise to him. I bought this box on a day where it was free shipping because recently ThredUp has changed their policy for their rescue boxes where it's like $10 in shipping, which is the box itself was $110 plus $7.15 in tax, so a total of $117.15 total.
So how many items?
It was a certain weight. The description says 25 pounds, mixed items, a mix of clothing, shoes, and accessories from a diverse range of brands like Levi's, Nike, Calvin Klein, and more. I feel like I don't really see a lot of the rescue boxes for the men's, so I just want to kind of open this and share it with everyone so you can see what you could expect in one of these boxes.
Let's get in there.
All right.
Where do we start?
I don't know.
Okay, you want to talk about each one? Alex Crane.
So this one is new with tags, Alex Crane, and I did kind of look it up. It's a really good brand, and this is 100% linen, I believe. Perfect color for fall.
$145, new with tags?
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
So this is probably like one of the best pieces in the box.
And these won't have any flaws or anything?
They shouldn't. I mean, they could potentially.
Abercrombie bathing suit. Extra small. Nice though.
Yeah. It looks like it's in new condition. And we have...
Vintage Birch Brothers.
How do you know it's vintage?
Because the tag. That's
Okay.
not what it looks like anymore.
Oh, okay. We always have a bunch of button-ups. So another linen button-up, new with tags. So starting off strong with the new with tag items.
Talkers, extra large.
Perfect color for fall.
Arizona jeans, new with tags. 38s, a little large.
Oh, shorts. Little pumpkin spice color. What do you call these? Cargo pants?
Cargo shorts. Levi's, pretty small. 28-30s.
But in perfect condition. Like the patch is still like super pristine. More swim shorts.
Yeah, zero exposure.
Zero exposure, extra large.
36-32s.
New with tags as well.
Retails for about $80.
And it's Polo Ralph Lauren. Really nice navy color.
London and NYC.
Another button up. I feel like this is a mostly button up box.
J. Crew. Medium.
J. Crew. Another button up.
J. Crew.
Same size.
Small.
I like that color. Have you seen anything that you might want?
The linen shirt.
No! Hey, this is really soft.
Jeffrey Beam. It's called
Super soft.
extra large.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. Okay, some shoes.
Nice little boots.
Fresh.
Brand new. Still have the stuffing in it. 8.5 men's. Suede boots.
Nice.
They are very nice.
That's probably
I think it's an Amazon brand if I
Okay.
recall. I actually think these are women's.
okay.
Yeah,
And they didn't know if
I
they're
think these are technically a women's
Topo
size
Athletic.
10. And they retail pretty well too. I'll leave any comps in as well.
suit jacket.
Business.
Ralph Lauren. Lord and
Ooh,
Taylor.
and it's 100% linen as well. We love the linen. Little tan suit jacket. Goes with those boots.
Yeah, it's nice.
We can make an outfit.
In Houston, 34-32s. In Hogan, some golfer shorts. They're pretty big, probably 38.
Size 40.
Oh, 40s, yeah.
Yep. Just athletic-y shorts.
Tommy Hilfiger, extra large.
Polo.
It's classy.
Shirt. Yeah.
Goodie.
Yeah, I wasn't familiar with this brand, but it looked like a quality piece.
Goodie cotton crossover.
And I think it does retail pretty well. At least
Okay.
it sells high on its personal website. I don't know how well it does
Sure.
on reselling platforms. Yeah. New with tags as well.
Express 3432s. Okay.
Gray.
Nike golf shirt.
New with tags.
New with tags.
Yeah, the nice thing about this is there's a bunch of new with tag items.
Yeah, $55 retail. A lot of polo stuff. Wow, look at that. Classic.
It looks so vintagey.
Extra large.
Very bright.
Nice. True Religion jeans. Nice.
Oh yeah, True Religion.
33s. Probably have
I love True Religion with their pockets. Their pockets are always big.
some decent comps probably.
All right.
Nike athletic shirt. New with tags.
Black. Yeah.
$35 retail. Extra large. Vintage Adidas.
Tennis shoes.
Pretty clean. And then Mickey Mouse Vans. Interesting.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah. Disney and everything. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, these definitely sell pretty well.
Size is men's 10.
And they have been worn, but they just need a little clean on the bottom. These will definitely sell for sure.
Cool. All right, so we need to count the items, see how many you got.
You want to count them?
Divide out the price, yeah.
Okay.
27.
So 27 items for $117. Yeah, $433.
Yeah.
Cost of goods.
You got a couple big ones in there. What do you think is going to sell first?
I think some of the linen long sleeve button-ups.
You're looking at those probably to sell
Just
first?
because of the season right now. This color is perfect for fall. Ooh, this sweater is definitely in season. So overall, I think the men's box is worth it if you don't mind selling men's items.
Well, a lot of times with these boxes, all you have to do is get one or two big hits.
Yeah.
And then
It pays for the
it
box.
pays for the box. All right, we'll see how you do. Let's sell some of these clothes.
See ya.